I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start immediately. Open your browser and make sure you're signed into the profile where the ad blocker runs. Once done, find the ad block icon in the toolbar. That icon is the quickest path to controls. If you don't see it, open the browser menu and navigate to Extensions or Add-ons. This reveals installed blockers. Make sure you can view details so you can disable per site or turn the extension off entirely. You're ready for the next step. Now you'll change the blocker's behavior. Click the extension icon and choose Pause on the site or Allow ads on example. To create an exception. This is faster and safer than full removal. If you prefer, open Extensions right arrow find the ad blocker and toggle it off to disable globally. For browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, the Extensions page also shows details where you can manage site permissions. Use those to finish by reloading the page and testing whether ads load. Sometimes you need to clear the browser cache to see changes immediately. If ads still don't appear, inspect other privacy extensions, content filters, or a system host's file and disable them temporarily. Those can also block ads. Make sure to re-enable your blocker afterward unless you trust the site. Alternatively, keep a permanent exception for sites you support. That single troubleshooting step resolves most lingering blocking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.